Welcome to my restaurant. Today I'm going to be making food. Do you want to help me? Okay, this customer wants a chicken wing and cookies and a juice box. So let's get started. First we're going to make the juice box. Now we got the Play-Doh, so now we're gonna put it here, and then it's gonna turn into a juice box. Now we're gonna cut out the outside. And now once we're gonna be finished soon, and we're gonna put it next. We're gonna be making the chicken wing. There's the juice box. Now it's time to get the chicken wing. It's kind of like really hard to open this one, so it might take a couple seconds. Whoopsie daisies. So now we're gonna get this chicken wing thing, and we're gonna put it on this. And now we're gonna put this here, and now we're gonna put it like that because it just moved. And now we're gonna push this red thing down, and now let go. And now we're gonna take it off, take out the outside of it, and now we're gonna put it on a plate. And then we have the chicken wing ready. So now let's make the cookie. The cookie isn't gonna take that long though. We made the cookie, now we have to cook it. But take out the outside and then cook it. Now we're gonna close it, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. And now we're gonna wait for a couple seconds. Ding, ding. Now the cookie is ready, and now the order is ready. Here. Hi, welcome to my restaurant. What do you want? Okay. So they said they wanted a pizza and then a banana. This is kind of hard to open. These are all kind of like really hard to. Yeah. Now we're gonna take out some and we're gonna look for this pizza thing. Now we're gonna put it away here and put it away here. Okay, now we're gonna push the tray over and now push this red thing down and now lift it up and take out the pizza and take out the outline, put it back in there, and we're gonna make the banana, you know. And we have the yellow now. And we're gonna put the lid back on. Maybe not white. And now we're gonna put it in the banana. And I might need some more. That might be enough. Now let's push it in as hard as we can. Now take out the outline like every single one and put it back in. Take some extra off. And now we're done. Here. That's it. Bye. Make sure to watch all other videos.